English Danish, can you, equals.
Kan du?
Welcome to.
Kan du?
Hey friend. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources and cool practice tools. Ready to make polite Danish requests with confidence? Today you'll nail, can you, in Danish.
Kan du?
Imagine a friendly can of soup with arms. Every time you ask, it waves and says, of course I can. If you can do, say.
Kan du?
Quick tip. Statement order is, you can.
Du kan.
Flip it for the question.
Kan du?
Your goal today. You'll ask for help naturally and politely, short, clear, and confident. Core phrase.
Kan du?
Can you? Examples you'll use today.
Kan du?
At.
Hjælpe.
Mig med den kasse?
Kan du?
At.
Åbne.
Vinduet lidt?
Kan du?
At.
Vise.
Mig veg til stationen? More handy verbs.
Bære.
Carry.
Finde.
Find.
Lukke.
Close. Forms and variations. You've got options, singular, plural, formal, and extra polite. Singular.
Kan du?
To one person. Plural.
Kan I?
To more than one person. Formal.
Kan de?
Rare today, but good to know. Softer, more polite.
Kunne du?
Could you? Careful.
Vil du?
Equals do you want to? Question mark comma.
Har du?
Equals do you have? And.
Må jeg?
Equals may I? Grammar glance. Statement.
Du kan hjælpe.
Question.
Kan du?
Inversion. Mini dialogues. Listen in and repeat after me, nice and clear. At the cafe. A.
Kan du?
At.
Hente.
Vand, talk? B. Selvfølelig. At the station. A. Und skild.
Kan du?
At.
Vise.
Mig veg? B. Ja, folg mig. Helping out. A.
Kan du?
At.
Bære.
Den taski? B. Klart. Window chat. A.
Kan du?
At.
Åbne.
Vinduet lidt? B. Ja, det går jeg. Drills. Say it with me. You speak first, then I confirm. Big smile, steady pace. Prompt. Can you open the door? Answer.
Kan du?
At.
Åbne.
Doran? Prompt. Can you show me the way? Answer.
Kan du?
At.
Vise.
Mig veg? Prompt. Can you carry this bag? Answer.
Kan du?
At.
Bære.
Den taski? Prompt. Can you find the keys? Answer.
Kan du?
At.
Finde.
Noglern? Prompt. Can you close the window? Answer.
Kan du?
At.
Lukke.
Vinduet? Bonus sci-fi. Can you scan the sector? Answer.
Kan du?
At.
Scanne.
Sectorin? Emergency. Can you stop now? Answer.
Kan du?
At.
Stoppe.
New? Call later. Can you call later? Answer.
Kan du?
At ring, snare? Team email. Can you send the report? Answer.
Kan du?
At.
Sende.
Reporten? Photo op. Can you take a picture? Answer.
Kan du?
At.
Tag.
At billede? Coffee time. Can you make a latte? Answer.
Kan du?
At.
Lave.
En latte? Rainy day. Can you hold the umbrella? Answer.
Kan du?
At.
Holde.
Paraplyen? Culture tip. Be direct, be polite, be you. In Denmark, short and clear is friendly. A simple.
Kan du?
Plus a smile is perfect. Add a small gesture. Raise your hand slightly, palm up, to soften the request. Quick quiz. Let's lock it in, answer out loud. Q1. Which Danish phrase politely asks, can you? Question mark quote. A.
Kan du?
Q2. True or false?
Har du?
means, can you? Quote. A. False, it means, do you have? Quote. Q3. What's a softer version of?
Kan du?
A.
Kunne du?
Q4. Plural, you, version? A.
Kan I?
Bonus. What's the statement form you flip to make the question? A.
Du kan. Kan du?
Memory boost. Make it sticky and a bit silly. Mnemonic. Can do sounds like.
Kan du?
Picture huge floating letters, can do, hovering until you ask politely. Loci trick. Your hallway door opens when you whisper.
Kan du?
At.
Åbne.
Closing parenthesis dot. Magic spell time. Can do, doors, favors, and smiles unlock. Challenge round. Now you lead, say it before I do. Ask one person politely. Could you show me the red one?
Kunne du?
At.
Vise.
Mig, Den Road? Ask a group. Can you send the file?
Kan I?
At.
Sende.
Fill in? Soft negative nudge. Can't you come tomorrow?
Kan du ikke?
At Combe, I Morgan? Formal flourish. Can you carry this, sir, madam?
Kan de?
At.
Bære.
Det? Talk and see you soon. You did great, high five. Thanks for listening, keep practicing.
Kan du?
With verbs like
Hjælpe. Åbne. Vise. Bære. Finde.
and.
Lukke.
This episode was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Grab more lessons and resources at www.synapse-lingo.com. VS's, see you next time.